Flooring approved. Chassis approved. Yan, flooring approved. Yan, approved. So, DA63T, 4x4 aircon power steering, Erwin Lopez Flete, Erwin Nation, approved. Peace. Sobrang safe. Nakabalot pa yung mga dashboard. Ito, mga headlight, side mirror, then yung mga manobela. Nakabalot din to, oh. So, pangalawang unit, approved. Yan, kabilang side, approved din. Wala ding bulok dito. Usually, dito talaga yung mabubulok. Very good, approved. Chassis, yan, approved. Transmission, approved. Puting-puti. Yan, nakabalot. Dashboard. Headlight at manobela.